Just missed a pretty Jeep. Is that Robin? Who's it? Over there? Pretty Robin. That Robin. Hiya, Robin. I put more bread out there. I threw it up towards him, but he just ain't coming in to get it. Must be too scared. Maybe he's scared of Bandit. Or me. And eventually the birds around here will get used to me. Especially if I get a feeder out here someday. Maybe the next month I'll have one out here. We've been wanting to put one out here. Lord willing, we will. So, another stupid Pontiac. There's birds all around over there at that house. That Robin. We had a couple sparrows and a cardinal come by. And then that one bird, I don't know what that was. Kind of, they can crawl up the side of a tree like a cat or a squirrel. I don't know what it was. I wish I could have got a film of it since somebody would have told me. But it was pretty. He came right down here and got the big old piece of bread, took off with it. He wasn't that much bigger than that bread that they threw out there. But he had a long pointed beak and he could crawl up the side of the tree. It was a pretty bird. I'm out here enjoying God's creation. Boy, yeah, like Sean Kerr says, this is beautiful. You can't tell me God didn't create that. I agree with him. Okay. Can't seem to get no more bikes go by. We had two cruisers go by. One looked like a, I don't think the one was, it was a full dressed out cruiser. It don't look like a, I don't think it was a Harley. It was too quiet. I don't think Harley Davidson make quiet bikes. Even the newer styles. Then they got cars passing other people. Always in a hurry. They're idiots. Everybody's got to be in a hurry. Can't do the speed limit, always tailgating. People that speed and tailgate are jerks. Another piece of junk Chevy. The bird's gone. We need more birds. So I'm going to have to throw more bread out there, see if I can get them to see me and come in and get some. There's a lot of bread on the ground. They should come and get it. They probably will when I go in the house. It's hard to want to go in the house where it's nice out. It's so nice out. It's warmed up even more. It feels like get close to 60. It probably is in the sunlight here. Bandit was laying on the porch right in the sun, but she took off in the house. There she goes. She's come back out. There's Bandit. She loves that sun. Let me go get you your bed. I'm gonna go in and grab her bed, bring it out. She can sit on the porch right now. I'm going to bed.
When everybody is going to appear before him, this is what the Bible says. Before him, every knee will bow, every tongue will confess that he is Lord. Let us come in that day. Everybody's
They like that. Got Pastor blasting in the background. You can't beat that. Set this right out here. There you go, Bandit. So you can lay in the sun. I'm going to set it back out here. Hold on. I'll crank this up a little bit more so I can hear it better. I got quite the jamming system.
But if the answer is no, the man is not coming. He's going to say something to
Not too bad today. It's a little sore. Got it set on volume 21. I always do segments of 7 because God's number is 7. Go back out here and finish busting up this last bread I got. Throw it all over. Bandit's got her bed. I hang out with Bandit. I love you, Bandit. This is pretty cool. It's fun. We got that ribs, so we get them going. I'll eat my ribs out here. Got some ribs. Barbecue ribs. Mom's getting some barbecue. Well, let me shut this off and throw some more bread out there. Try to get more birds coming in. Hang out with my bandit. As soon as I shut this off, then the motorcycle is going to come by. I love bikes. I'm a bike fan. I'm a Mopar fan. And I'm an Oldsmobile fan. And I'm a big bird fan. Animal fan. And I'm a huge Jesus fan. Ain't nobody like Jesus. Nobody like Jesus. Got my pastor blasting in the background on my TV with his teachings. So I got some videos from the church or the choir and stuff. Man, we got such an awesome church. Our church, man. Here goes, oh, look at that Dodge Ram. That's a beauty. Woo. Yeah. Them are cool. Dan Swanson let me test drive one of them. They are sweet. They drive like, man, we went down 20th Street with that thing. Where the tracks are real rough, just before you get down like on, what's that road? Avenue A? Yeah, Avenue A. Where the tracks is in between Avenue A and Upton. If you guys know what I'm talking about. Them tracks are rough. Right there. Going up that hill. And I was doing 35, that's the speed limit, up to it, and I was gonna slow down. Dan's like, no, don't slow down, watch what, right over it. I was like, oh, man, that didn't sound right, but we rode over that thing. Man, the suspension in them new trucks you couldn't even feel the bumps. I was like, wow, they're built to go over tough stuff. Then it's comfortable. 390 horsepower Hemi in it. He'll burn rubber in a hurry. I don't like burning rubber anymore. Because it costs too much for tires. I used to like that stuff when I was a kid. That old Oldsmobile I had. And my Dodge Charger 71. I burned a lot of rubber with both of them. But, okay, let me throw some more bread out here. Try to get some birds in here. Then film them. And hopefully I can get, oh, wait a minute. Look at this Challenger. Is that sweet or what? Oh, that's a head turner. That's the kind of cars that get you in an accident when you're driving. Because your head be going one way and you're supposed to be going the other way. Because the car's so pretty. Okay, let me throw some bread out here. Hopefully I can catch some motorcycles coming.